Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chittaranjan Das. Let us study about the nomenclature of aromatic compound. Nomenclature of aromatic compound. In last class, we have already discussed about the nomenclature of the aromatic compound of halogen or aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and their derivatives. Today we discuss about the amine. Okay, आज हमें amine बाबदरे पढ़िबा. ठीक है जी. First this is benzene ring and this is functional group. This is benzene ring, this is functional group. Functional group directly attached to benzene ring. So its IUPAC name is benzene. E should drop due to amine, benzene, amine. कहीं अमीन रो सफिक्स कौन बसे अमीन ओके बेंजानामीन ये जो आईपाक नेम किंतु यार कॉमन नेम रे बहुत ही फेमस इट इज फेमस फॉर इट्स कॉमन नेम इज एनिलीन ओके कॉमन नेम इज एनिलीन क्लियर आईपाक नेम बेंजानामीन common name is aniline. Then here you see here is amine functional group and total this is toluene. The benzene with methyl group are commonly called toluene. Benzene और methyl group को हम कौन कहते toluene. Then it attached to two position. So 2-aminotoluene. IUPAC name 2-aminotoluene. Okay, 2-aminotoluene. Here you see that both are the functional group amine. Two functional group amine attached to benzene ring. Here is 1, here is 2. So benzene here is E do not drop because it is diamine asibo. So that 1, 2 diamine. Okay, benzene 1, 2 diamine. Then here you see that here is benzene, here is functional group, here is substituent group. Mean when an amine group attached to substituent group, that is called secondary amine. And its locant is N. So this substituent group attached to the N, so that it written as N methyl. ताको हमें कौन कहते N methyl कहीं मिथाइल ग्रुप अटैच कर के नाइट्रोजन को N methyl aniline. Okay, total is aniline, N methyl aniline. Here you see that this is functional group amine and two substituent group, two methyl group attached to nitrogen. Here is also CH3, here is also CH3 and this attached to benzene ring. So it is tertiary amine, 3-degree amine and these two substituent group attached to N. So N dimethyl aniline. Okay, NN dimethyl aniline. Okay, next we go to naming the nitrile compound. To nitrile mean bond CN. Okay, now we read about the nitrile compound. Okay, for nitrile we use the suffix nitrile. So here is the benzene ring and this is functional group. Functional group attached to directly the benzene ring. So its parent chain is benzene. So you write benzene nitrile. मैम कौन है benzene nitrile. But here you see that this carbon do not involve in the parent chain. Okay, last class re koithili, if the carbon do not involve in the parent chain, then we use carbo word. Okay, that can be also written that benzene carbal nitrile, okay, carbal nitrile, benzene carbal nitrile. It is more correct than this. This is also APAC name, this is also APAC name. Okay, ये तो लास्ट रेकमेंडेशन अनुसार ये हूँ मोर करेक्ट देन दिस कि जदि ये भी आसुची ये ठीक है चेंज है ही नहीं. ओके देन दिस इज बेंजीन रिंग, टू फंक्शनल ग्रुप, वन COH and another nitrile group. Then we see according to the priority order. जदि आम या देखा तो यार प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर अनुसार आम जीवा, यार प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर अनुसार नाम कौन कहार अधिक अच्छी ना कार्बोसिलिक एसिड रे. प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर कहार अधिक कार्बोसिलिक एसिड रे. सो इट गेट मोर प्रिफरेंस देन नाइट्राइल ग्रुप. सो इट इज यूज्ड एज प्रीफिक्स, it is used as suffix. Here is orthocyano or 2-cyano benzoic acid. Okay, then you see that compound. This is what substituent group, this is functional group, and this is toluene. This is toluene, mean toluene act as substituent group. Toluene act as substituent group, so it is named as orthotoluene carbal benzene. Okay, because this carbon do not involve in the parent chain. Then here is isonitrile. Isonitrile mean nitrogen attached to this benzene ring. Okay, with one coordinate bond. Then this is called isonitrile. So it is benzene isonitrile. Here you see that this is isonitrile and this is substituent group. When CH3 attached to what? CH3 attached to benzene ring, then it is named as toluene and act as toluene, paratoluene. Carbal isonitrile. Okay, carbal isonitrile. This is all about the nomenclature of nitrile and isonitrile. Then we go to ether. Okay, then we go to ether. Ether means ROR means two alkyl group. So this is functional group of ether. Here is one methyl group, another one is what? Benzene ring. Okay, then this is common name is alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane means the ether group mean O goes to which alkyl group that takes the alkoxy. तो ओटा जो alkyl group सहित रहिबो ता सहित ऑक्सी prefix and rest alkyl group सहित ANE. Then determine which one take the O mean ether group. The alkyl group which has more number of carbon take alkane and less number of carbon that is taken as parent chain or ANE. जहाँ पाखर अधिक कार्बन अच्छी सी जीव आल्केन ग्रुप को, जहाँ पाखरे कम कार्बन थी सी जीव alkoxy ग्रुप को. Here is benzene ring has 6 carbon, this is has 1 carbon, so we goes to this methoxy benzene, because ether group to this carbon methoxy benzene, or it popularly known as anisole. Okay, common name is anisole. It is famous for this name. Hello. maximum question comes in the term of anisole. Here is also a benzene ring, another one is alkyl ring. Here is 6 carbon, here is 2 carbon. So the ether group goes through this. So that is S2 carbon, যেহেতু এটি দুইটা কার্বন আছে এর নাম কোন আসিব এথক্সি বেনজিন. Okay, then you are see that both are the same carbon, means symmetrical. Here is also phenyl group, here is also a phenyl group. Okay, এটি দুইটা কো গ্রুপ রে সেম কার্বন আছে. তো whatever you may be takes, suppose this taken as this, that is phenoxybenzene. Phenoxybenzene. Here a common name alkyl dialkyl ether, or here is methyl phenyl ether, ethyl phenyl ether, diphenyl ether, diphenyl, that is common name ether. Okay, then we name about the nitro compound. Naming about the what? Nitro compound. Nitro compound means it is always used as prefix nitro. So this is nitro benzene. So here is very simple benzene. But here is 1, 2, 3, or this is meta position. 1, 3 dinitro, 1, 3 dinitrobenzene, 1, 3 dinitrobenzene or meta dinitrobenzene. Okay, 1, 3 dinitrobenzene or meta dinitrobenzene. Here you see that here is toluene, this is toluene. Okay, and this is NO2. So it attach 1, 2, 3, 4, mean para nitrotoluene or 4-nitrotoluene. Then you see this compound. This is toluene group. This is toluene. The nitro group attached to this, this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean 2, 4, 6 trinitrotoluene. 2, 4, 6 trinitrotoluene. Toluene और प्यार से TNT. प्यार से कौन TNT, trinitrotoluene. Then here is also like that. This is phenol. When benzene group attached to the alcohol group, that is called phenol. Eti puni attached is nitro group eti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol or picric acid. Common name is picric acid. Okay, this is all about the naming of ether and nitro compounds when attached to the aromatic ring or benzene ring. Then we read about the sulfanoic group and Grignard's reagent. Sulfanoic group and Grignard's reagent. Okay, Grignard's reagent. Grignard reagents means RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Okay, but when it attached to aromatic, that is ArMgX. Look at this compound. Here is magnesium bromide attached to benzene ring. Here is magnesium bromide attached to what? Benzene ring. Here is magnesium bromides attached to benzene ring. As it is Grignard reagent, it named as phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. Here you see that here is toluene and here is magnesium iodide. So it acts as a What a substituent group and in ortho position orthotolyl phenyl magnesium iodide. Orthotolyl magnesium iodide, sorry, not magnesium iodide. Okay, orthotolyl magnesium iodide. Then here you see that the benzene sulfonic acid बोले SO3H or SO2OH. Okay, that is sulfonic acid. Okay, suffix is sulfonic acid. यार होची लागिची कोन SO3H or SO2OH. This is benzene ring. So benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid. And here you see that here is toluene, here is sulfonic acid. So that is called, it may be also written that 2-methyl benzene sulfonic acid, 2-methyl. Okay, here is substituent group, here is 2-methyl benzene sulfonic acid, okay, 2-methyl benzene sulfonic acid. This is all about the naming of aromatic compounds. Okay, ये जो aromatic compound रो part 2 part 1 आर बिफोर रे अछि मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन रे दे देउछि तमे जदि साकू देखिनो ताकू देखि सारी के आकू देखिबो देन यू आर क्लियर कांसेप्ट अबाउट द हाउ नेमिंग aromatic compound. Okay, naming aromatic compounds. Okay, thank you.